What's up guys, my name is Danny Thomas and I am the COO of Easy Industries, and today we're going to be talking about a product that we invented called the Easy Sink. So this is a portable wash station. It holds 5 gallons of water. It conveniently has a 5.5 to 6 foot expandable hose. It also has a built-in soap dispenser and a rechargeable battery. So I love this product because it's very convenient for the avid off-roader and outdoor enthusiast, and also this is huge in the construction industry. So just a few attachments that come with the sink during your purchase. So it comes with the actual drop-in right here for the soap dispenser. It just snaps right into place. It also comes with a USB compatible charging port, the rechargeable battery that sits on top here, and then it also comes with a few different attachments. It has a suction cup and then also a hook. So the hook is convenient because it just slides into place right here, and you can hook it to a tree if you want to shower or something like that. This comes off, and then you also have a suction cup here. So if you want, you can take this attachment, it just slips right into place right here, and then you can bring this over to your truck or vehicle and then just snap it on, so that way it's kind of away from your working station, or if you're out there camping or kind of cooking some food and stuff like that. So that's a strong suction cup. One of the great things about this though is you don't need a pressurized source of water to actually refill your Easy Sink. So I know when you're out there on the weekends and you're out there for 2 or 3 days at a time, it's kind of hard to find a source of water or like a pressurized source to fill this up with. So you could literally just grab your Easy Sink, fill it up for the weekend, grab another bucket, fill it up full of water, and then all you got to do is just pop the top, refill it, and then you're ready to go back in action. So when this thing's fully filled to the top with water, the second you click this button right here, it has almost a 4-minute run time of constant running water. So 4 minutes of constant running water, which is great. And then you can just, like I said, refill it and get right back into action. So the rechargeable battery, it's very simple. You just kind of snap that in, you plug it in via USB, and it starts charging. It has a red light right here on display. That means it's charging. Once it turns blue, it's completely finished. And then when you come over here, you just snap this onto the Velcro, and then it's just a turn mechanism. You turn it, and then boom, that's done. You're ready to go. And then it has a built-in soap dispenser like we discussed before. It has 500 milliliters of soap. I recommend using Dawn, but it's also compatible for mechanics too. You could put the orange zest if you're in there in the mechanic shop working, or any kind of convenience store soap will work for it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to offer a little bit of discount for all of Jesse's followers on his YouTube channel. Thanks again for having us out here to discuss what the product is and how it comes. And we have 2 options right now. We have the mossy oak camouflage, and then we also have the classic black Easy Sink, and we're also going to be coming out with a white Easy Sink here very shortly, so stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for letting me on the show, Jesse. One more thing that I'd like to mention before we hit the road here is that we do actually offer a universal bed rack mounting system. So it's actually perfect for Tacomas, but those are available on the website as well. So you guys can check us out at easysink.net.